Si Sharon is the type of friend na she will really keep secrets talaga. During that time.
Pag may sinabi ka sa akin,
hindi talaga.
walang lalabas, parang balon.
During that time, hindi pa pwede kasi very popular yung Pops and Martin. So, hindi kami pwedeng lumabas
Hindi
ni
pa si
Martin.
Pops
Walang
and Martin.
ganon. Oo.
Cute.
Kung baga, very famous yung ano nila. So, medyo ano lang, tagu-tagu yung sa amin. There was a day we were shooting in, I think, Basilio House. Pupunta is the late Ate Ludes to interview Sharon. Dumalaw si Martin sa akin. Sabi ko, Mama, pupunta si Ate Ludes. Sabi niya, may kwarto niya sa taas. Doon muna papuntahin si Martin. Magtago muna siya doon.
Magtago ka. Ganon. Tapos hindi gusto ko ikwento mo.
Ang tagal ni Ate Ludes. Pawis na yung tao nag-aantay.
Ikwento mo yung may kissing scene kay ni William.
Ako ito,
inaway ka paano?
Sabi kasi ni I don't want you to do a kissing scene. Ako naman sabi ko, kasi ay hirap naman magsabi ng yung kiss naman, ganun lang, di ba? Nagkaroon ng parang premiere, pinanood ni Martin, gumaganon sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi naman, hindi, pero nakita, wala, syempre. It got touched, but only hop.
Sabi niya, did his lips touch your lips? Ganon naman, ganon ba?
I said, only this one.
Ang cute naman. Ang cute, di ba? Thank you. Kaya hanggang ngayon, ang tawagan namin nila Martin,
Sweeter.
Kasi yun ang tawagan namin ni Rowell. Sweeter.
So pag nagkita tayo asap, Mr.
Sweeter.
Alam niya na yun.
Kaya kahit sa probinsyano, Shwi. Maganda ako sa kanya. Nalilimot ko.
Which I don't think I mentioned. A couple of years ago, I guess it's also when you reach a certain age already. Like, kasi when I met Sharon and when we worked together, after a while, nag-asawa na siya. So parang, even if I had wanted to continue the friendship, parang she was starting her life na naudlot siya. Yung parang, alam mo yung ganon?
Yes, yes.
But couple of years ago, there was one day when I was praying, pumasok sa isip ko si Sharon. And alam mo yung feeling na parang I wanted to reach out and reconnect. I didn't know how to get in touch with you. I texted Maricel Laksa, how can I, I wanted to send you a letter. But somehow parang sabi ko, parang ang weird. Hindi siya natuloy. But parang in my heart, parang feeling ko, ang dami kong dapat ginawa which I didn't do.
Yun din.
And then I felt guilty and I wanted to tell you na sana I was there during those times. But maybe it's because I'm getting older. But truly I want to be able to start again. It may not be the same kind of friendship.
It will be better.
But it will be better.
Kasi
Yes.
also, Nana, I have to say then, I lost Sherry last year.
Yes, I know.
And
We all
parang, it's not really how old you are or how young you are. Hindi mo talaga alam kung kailan. So, parang in my history ng paggawa ng movies, sino ba yung mga significant sa akin bukod kay Sherry? Isa si Jackie doon.
Oh, yeah.
So, when the opportunity came, I couldn't let it go. Kasi, gusto ko rin yung remaining years namin, hindi na kami maghiwalay. Kasi, I lost so much time with Sherry.
Yeah.
Na hanggang ngayon, niiyakan ko. I used to count how many days siyang wala na. It became weeks. Now, biglang naging, it's my first Christmas without you, Cheech. My
Yes,
first
yes.
birthday without you. I wish you were here. Yung ganon. So, with Jackie, ayoko mangyari yun. Kasi part siya ng history ko. Part siya ng buhay ko.
It's so nice that we've reconnected, di ba? And
Now, every day,
minsan lang sabi ko, have a good day, Mama, I love you, have a nice
Sasagot
day.
ako, ganun lang.
Breakfast na you.
Breakfast na you.
Yung mga gano'n.
May nagpa-facial na me.
May mga plans na rin po kayo ba na mga outing ba with your
Wala pa,
Wala, get
nakaplano.
together.
Nakaplano.
Ang plano pa lang namin, magkape-kape tayo,
Oo,
tapos
yun
kumain
pala.
tayo ng cake o ng
Hindi,
dessert
marami.
or
Dapat
whatever.
mabakasyon na tayo. Yes! Isama natin to. Words of wisdom.
Masarap mong pakinggan yung sinabi ni Miss Jackie na parang kung tinry ko lang ng sobra, dapat nandun ka sa mga kailangan
Yes.
ni Ma'am Shi,
Oo,
Megan.
Actually, vice
Kaibigan.
versa.
I
Ako
felt
din,
that.
ma'am.
Oo.
Kasi,
I know.
went
through, I
I wasn't there for
Yeah. I pray for you Always, always. But how nice that I have the opportunity to
Me too.
to tell
Never
you.
letting go.
Oo. God is good.
God
He has
is.
orchestrated everything
Always.
in His perfect time.
In His
always.
perfect-
Always.
Always.
Grabe naman kayo.
Ano ba yun?
magmahal.
Diba?
Nakita
Sabi
niyo
ko
ako dito
talaga
para
sa
ba yan?
inyo, sabi ko talaga sa inyo, true friends are gift from God.